the National President of the Federal Religious League is present for the first regular session, 45th National Assembly is now called to order.
Buenas noches, mga kuya, ate, puso, and friends speakers. Welcome to Asia's Latin City, the province of Zamboanga.
In this 45th National Assembly, let us reaffirm the values that hold us together and remind ourselves of the impact we can create when we work as one. Unity is our shared goal. Respect for one another as we collaborate and grow stronger together. And discipline should uphold the values that make us models of the same. Tandaan niyo po yan. Always remember our goal. Humanitarian services through our guiding principle, service through strong brotherhood. Dahil dito tayo tumatayo kung bakit tayo naririto ngayon. All this thing, what we are doing, we dedicate into our country, into our people, and especially to all the officers and members of our fraternity. And the most important, what we are doing right now, we dedicate into our God.
I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our hosts, the WMR 5 or Western Mindanao 5 and the Western Mindanao 24 for their tireless effort in organizing this assembly. Your hard work and dedication have made this event possible. Maraming salamat po, and let us soar high together as one eagle. Long live the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Thank you so much mga kuya at ate. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila!